2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Cargo Van. This van transports any and all cargo to its final destination. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: heated side view mirrors, backup camera, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!